Signing your daily logs. Signing and certifying your driver's logs, also referred to by FMCSA as your RODS or Records of Duty status, is a requirement whether you are driving or off duty. The previous 7 days must all be certified before you start any driving for the day. From your home screen, also known as your log screen, touch any one of the 8 days available that you want to sign. We will touch Thursday, September 12th, and we'll open that specific day you want. I didn't drive, but I still have to certify and sign my log for the day. At the top of the screen, it will say Logs, Trip, Sign, and Share. Touch the third tab over from the left labeled Sign. Sign your log. If you're not happy with the signature, touch Clear, Signature, and sign again. Once you sign your log, touch the Save in the top right corner. It will take you directly to this specific daily log, and you should see the verification saying Success, PDF uploaded successfully. Scroll down, and you will see your signature posted at the bottom. This is how you sign and certify your RODS or your Records of Duty status.